a few weeks ago.
Okay, Fyodor, we are leading in your direction, but we'd like a confirmation CSA CP reading in about 10 minutes rather than 30 minutes.
Yeah, of course, Sheldon. We will do this.
The belief is this is a false alarm. Commander Fyodor Yurchikin reporting no smoke, no smell of smoke, and good readings on the combustion analyzer in the U.S. segment of the International Space Station. Again, just a couple of minutes ago, a smoke alarm enunciated in the Unity connecting node. However, it is believed and now confirmed to be a false alarm. This is the same alarm that enunciated a few weeks ago during other crew activities prior to STS-118, believed to be triggered from time to time because of a very sensitive, extremely sensitive sensor.
Where the RTB had started to separate earlier, it's still separated to the same amount.
Station Lead Flight Director Joe Montalbano polling his console team. They all are reporting no impacts from the brief interruption of activities due to the false fire alarm enunciated in the Unity connecting node.
PGT is locked in the swing arm. Good tug test.
And you got your...
That's a good call, TC. I appreciate that. And I have 2 reps on the right side of my mini workstation. I used one on my right. And I have 2 reps on the left side of my mini workstation. Let me just look at my DRT. Give it a sec. DRT rep is still in place.
And Endeavour Houston for Tracy, just to confirm, it is a false alarm. You guys are good to press.
Thanks, Shannon.
What kind of a false alarm, Tracy?
I think it was a fire message. Smoke.
And Tracy, for your information, it was it was a fire. It was a Node 2 smoke detector that went off.
Thank you. Hey, Clay, there's also handrail 262 if that helps you.
Oh, no, I'm in the right place. I got her down. It just takes a while.